You know how some sheets feel great at first, but lose that softness after just one wash? That's exactly what I wanted to test with this one. Hi, I'm Emmy from Sandoczka. These sheets were sent to me for free so I could try them out and give my honest opinion. This is the Royale Linens 400 thread count 100% American-grown cotton sheet set in Kyoto Blush. It's a four-piece queen set that includes one fitted sheet, one flat sheet, and two pillowcases. Right out of the box, the fabric felt smooth, thick, and silky, with a really elegant soft pink tone. The color looks calm and refined, perfect if you want your room to feel cozy but still sophisticated. I washed and dried the whole set before using it, just to see how it would hold up. The texture stayed beautiful, no fading, no shrinking, and it came out feeling even softer. That's something I always notice with good cotton. It actually gets better after washing. Once I made the bed, the fitted sheet gripped perfectly, no slipping corners, and the pillowcases match the flat sheet so nicely. It really gives that clean hotel-style look, but with the comfort of natural cotton. If you love that crisp, breathable feel at night, this one truly stands out. The quality is excellent, and it just makes the bed look fresh and inviting. It's always nice to find something that feels this comfortable and actually holds up after washing. Definitely a beautiful touch for any bedroom. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.